Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, for all intents and purposes, we're still sideways. Two massive days down and another massive day up. And just look at the last couple of days. It's been big moves to the up and then big moves to the downside. The only constant at the moment is we had sort of a double bottom here, and then we've had a lower high, sort of a higher low, sorry, at the moment, and then the next day has also been a higher low. Nothing really in there at the moment looking at the daily that is going to interest me right now. And looking at the 3 hour, moving averages kind of starting to point up, but I'm looking for price to maintain itself above the moving averages before jumping in on this. So that's kind of the first thing I'm looking for in the DAX. That's going to be the first indication that we're breaking out of this consolidation range of the last couple of weeks. So let's just get straight down to the hour. That's the one that we want to pay attention to. And as you could see yesterday, a bit of a gap up, pullback, pin bar. I suppose we could have jumped in on that structure, but rules for me are quite simple. I want the breakout retests to be done, and I want them to be done in an orderly fashion before I look at getting in. So at the moment, this breakout here, which there's a new breakout there that hasn't been tested, that's 15.229. Let's move this level up as well, and the next one is that one. Okay, not these, because these would have been done on, these are on the downward, sort of on the downward move. So you're looking for that kind of structure on the downward move, but looking for the inside tail pointing to the upside, which is here. That is the one I'm looking for, 15.320, and then we have another one a little bit lower down. So 15.320, then this one makes a lot of sense as well. 15.272 does give us a retest of the moving averages when we have a crossover at the moment. And then the next one is going to be all the way down here at 15.229. That's the view I've got at the moment. Looking at that price action, inside bar and then inside bar, pin bar, looking like a double top there. So I think you would expect some kind of a pullback, but what we're looking for is another higher low. If we can get another higher low and some price action on the 15-minute, that would be the opportunity to buy into it. Okay, so again, the levels 15.320, 15.272, and 15.229. Until a level gets tested properly and we have some structure at that level, I'm still sitting on the sidelines on the DAX. So may actually materialize today. Let's see if we can get continuation on yesterday's move. But the way it's been going, you could also expect a massive engulfing red bar. So until we break this range, that's the price action that you need to expect at the moment. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Quite simple, and we'll catch up with you next week. Enjoy the weekend. Cheers for now.